What's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a quick clean with me and look at that backsplash. If you guys are new here, my name is Kat and my last video I actually uploaded was a huge backsplash makeover, and I totally took this kitchen from looking blah and bland to making it look super fabulous with this backsplash, and it is the first thing that I am doing in my, I don't even know how many part series that my kitchen reno will be, but I'll let you know that I purchased a spray paint gun and I am so excited to use it. So that is what I'm going to be learning how to do in the next couple days, and then I will be starting on my cupboards. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have my kitchen renovation series that you are not going to want to miss. Let me know in the comments below where you guys are from. I love interacting with you, and this is all the talking I'm going to do for you today, guys, because I got some amazing music and there's no wetter, there's no better way to clean than to dance while you do it. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time.
There's something special about your love. I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration. No one makes me feel the sensation. Don't play hard to get my temptation. Got to have you now. I ain't waiting for long, girl, for long, girl. I need to let you know that I wanna make you more. So long, girl, so long, girl. You feel it when I hold you tight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's something special about your love. I think I'm ready to find. There's something special about your love. I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. There's something about your love. 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 Tell me if it feels right. Do you wanna go tonight? I don't think I'll feel right if I don't have you by my side. Tell me, baby, if you want me, cause I'm wanting you. I need to have your loving, darling, cause I wanna be with you. Come on, girl, come on, girl. I need to let you know that I wanna make you moan. So long, girl, so long, girl. You'll feel it when